Kung 12 ang mag-inhibit at napag-inhibit, how on earth na mako-convict ang isang impeachable official?
Kung 12 mag-inhibit, sila na rin ang i-judge ng taong bayan. Those who do not look at the evidence, the senator judges who will vote according to their own biases without considering the evidence, sila na po ang i-judge ng taong bayan. Some of them will run for re-elections. Some of them will run for higher office. You will be remembered in 2028 if you voted against the evidence, if you voted against the truth. Ang taong bayan po ang mag-judge sa inyo. To your question, sir, it is 2/3 of the entire Senate.
So, simple math, ma'am, ang kailangan 16.
16 po.
So, 24 sila kung, again, I will exaggerate, hyperbole. 12 ang napag-inhibit. So, 12 ang matitira. How on earth na mako-convict ngayon?
Hindi na po mako-convict. Taong bayan na, magkaka-ed sa 4 na tayo siguro.